Now we will discuss about the economic activities performed in Palampur. As earlier discussed, in Palampur there are some economic activities, but major economic activity that is farming. Now we will discuss about the features of farming in Palampur. First feature, fixed land area. In Palampur, the main economic activity that is farming, 75% people they are engaged in farming. Some are farmers. It means some have their own piece of land and another people which have not their own piece of land, they are doing work in the form of labor. So most of the people, we can say 75% people, they are dependent on farming in Palampur. In this Palampur area under agriculture that is fixed from 1960. So there is no further scope in the expansion of land area under agriculture. Only some wasteland by the efforts has been converted into agricultural land. For example, by providing irrigation, fertilizers, they have converted wasteland into agricultural land. Now, second feature, methods to increase production. Is there a way to increase production from the same land area? Yes, as you know, in different parts of India, farmers they use different methods to increase agriculture production. In the same way, farmers of Palampur they have adopted large number of methods to increase production from the same piece of land. First, they never left their land uncultivated. All land is cultivated, such as in rainy season. They grow kharif crops like jawar and bajra. After this, during the month of October to December, they grow potato, and during the Rabi season, they grow wheat. So they never left their land uncultivated. Whole land is cultivated throughout the year. Second, they are using modern farming methods. They are using such as tube wells for irrigation, fertilizers, and pesticides. Due to this, crop production has been increased to great extent. Increase in crop production to a great extent that is known as green revolution.